Whenever you work on a marketing campaign, a product launch, or a go-to-market plan, that's a project. In this video, you'll learn how to launch a project in Wrike so that it's clear who does what and by when. Imagine we need to publish a new blog post. I right-click the digital folder, hover over Add, and choose Project. We need to give our project a name. New blog post. As you can see, our project has its own attributes, including owner, start and finish dates, and status. Also, it's easy to distinguish our project from folders and spaces on the left-hand side panel, because it has a small clipboard icon to the right of its name. Once the project is created, we need to populate it with tasks that are required to complete it. For example, what do we need for a new blog post? We will obviously need to write copy, proofread it, prepare images, do SEO, and publish the post. All the tasks are ready, and it's time to assign them. We strongly recommend that each task should only have a single assignee, so it's crystal clear who's responsible for what. Now we need to schedule the tasks. The best place to do this is a Gantt chart. To make the tasks visible on it, we first need to schedule them. So let's click on the Mass Edit button and plan them for today. Now that we see all the tasks on the Gantt chart, we easily set a duration for them and change their due dates. The last step is interconnecting tasks with dependencies. There are two main reasons to do that. Firstly, if the tasks are interconnected, Wrike considers the project as a single entity, not a set of random independent tasks. So if you need to reschedule a task, all the connected ones are going to be rescheduled accordingly. Secondly, dependencies help everyone to know exactly when they need to start working on their tasks. Once the previous task is marked as completed, the person responsible for the next one will be automatically notified that he or she can now start working on the next task. Besides List View and Gantt chart, you can plan and work with your projects on the Board view, which comes handy if you work agile. It groups tasks based on their status, so you can easily see where work is stacked, just like in Kanban board. And your team will be able to easily drag and drop tasks to change their status when work progresses. On the table view, you can easily see multiple attributes of your tasks at a time. Show and hide the necessary ones, change them right from here, and apply ascending or descending sorting by the values in the columns. Having all the steps of a project reflected in Wrike, properly scheduled and assigned, will ensure consistency of the work you do and will provide visibility into the progress for all of the stakeholders.